Being frugal doesn't necessarily mean being cheap. To me, frugality means living below your means, being financially efficient and sensible with your money. Here's 5 simple frugal practices that have helped me save money. Number 1. Budgeting. A monthly budget makes you prioritize and monitor your expenditure. Budgeting creates a plan, it marks out essential purchases, pays your bills, and allows you to devote some money for enjoyment whilst putting some cash away for saving. What's essential for me may not be essential for you, but we can both agree that purchasing fruits and vegetables are essential, as opposed to that latest Star Wars figurine, which is an inessential purchase. Think about all the effort and the hours that you pour into work to obtain the money that you do. Do you really want it lost to minutes of unwise purchases? Be strict with your budget and it will do you wonders. No budget equals pandemonium. Number 2, living below your means. Let's say you earn £50,000 a year, then you need to live like you earn £25,000 a year. Living above your means and displaying wealth will make you a target and drain your bank balance. A sizable chunk should go into viable savings accounts and investments. Daily little treats are going to snowball and crush your ability to stack up money. Buying unnecessary new clothing items obstructs financial progress. Plus, we tend to wear between 20 and 30% of our wardrobe anyway. Living below your means will teach you the value of money and carve out your path to financial stability. Make sacrifices, adopt a simple look, and don't draw too much attention to yourself, and you'll find your pockets filling up in no time. Number 3, avoiding debt. This is Mirza Ghalib, a renowned Indian poet of the Urdu and Persian languages, and he famously said that a man should not do 2 things. Number 1, marry, and 2, borrow. I take the marrying part with a pinch of salt, but the bit about borrowing, I wholeheartedly agree with him. Debt robs your financial independence and pits you at the mercy of the creditor. Alongside the anguish you'll deal with, you'll risk souring relations with whoever it is you owe the debt to. If you go crazy with your credit card when you have no money, you'll dent more than just your credit score. My philosophy is simple. If you don't have the money for the essential purchase, you don't buy, you wait. Going into debt and borrowing leads to catastrophe. Number 4, being socially resourceful. Having a social life is crucial, but it can be costly. Let's take eating out, for example. Let's say you go out and eat out with your friends every week or every fortnight. You are paying for the transportation, the location, the ambience, the VAT, and an aesthetically pleasing dish that probably scores a 4 out of 10 for filling you up. Instead, you can be financially resourceful and social by eating at home or ordering a takeaway with your friends. You can also watch films at home or with friends at their places. You can go out for a walk, go out to a picnic, and take advantage of museums and other free venues. Even when you go away on holiday with a friend, you can share a room to save money. There are numerous free and creative activities that you can indulge in that allow you to be social and financially mindful. Number 5, not following others. Simply put, never follow society. Just because your friends are splashing out money on expensive drinks, designer clothes, or jetting off every month to extravagant destinations doesn't mean that you've got to do the same. Following trends and fashions will leave deep holes in your pockets and savings. In fact, we lose eye-watering amounts of money by saying yes to things that we shouldn't be saying yes to. We live in a consumerist age after all that's bursting with advertisements that subconsciously entice us to buy. You need to condition yourself to not crack under societal pressure to buy. You are the master of your own fate. You need to look at your own position and do what's practically right for you. What that sometimes means is turning the other way and learning to say no. Your wallet will be grateful. And those are my 5 simple frugal practices. I hope you found this video useful, and let me know in the comments box what your frugal practices are and what you do to save money. I'm sure we can all take inspiration. And finally, I'd be extremely grateful if you can support at least one of the Sikh charities. All the information you need can be found in the description box. All the proceeds go to the people in need. As always, thank you all very much for watching. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, stay safe, and cheerio for now.